Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, we're stepping inside a breathtaking modern farmhouse-style house that perfectly blends rustic charm with contemporary elegance. In this 2026 home tour, you'll discover how farmhouse architecture continues to evolve while staying true to its warm and inviting roots. From the exterior facade to the smallest decor detail, this home is filled with inspiring farmhouse home design ideas you can recreate in your own space. As we approach the house, the exterior immediately captures attention with its crisp white board-and-batten siding, contrasting black window frames, and a steeply pitched metal roof. The clean lines reflect modern farmhouse architecture, while the wraparound porch and natural wood columns add that timeless rural character. This balance between old and new is what makes modern farmhouse-style houses so desirable in 2026. Stepping through the double entry doors, we're greeted by a bright and airy foyer with wide plank oak flooring and high ceilings accented by exposed beams. The color palette is soft and neutral, warm whites, creamy taupes, and subtle grayish tones. This open entryway immediately showcases the essence of modern farmhouse architecture: spacious, functional, and filled with natural light. The living room is the heart of this modern farmhouse-style house. A large sectional in a neutral fabric anchors the space, while a reclaimed wood coffee table adds rustic texture. The focal point is a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with a chunky wooden mantel. Built-in shelving on both sides blends modern symmetry with farmhouse warmth, styled with vintage pottery and woven baskets. Moving into the kitchen, you'll notice how farmhouse architecture has embraced contemporary efficiency. Shaker-style cabinetry in soft white pairs beautifully with matte black hardware. A large central island topped with quartz countertops provides both prep space and casual seating. Above it, oversized pendant lights with a brushed brass finish introduce a subtle modern twist to the classic farmhouse look. One of the most stunning elements of this farmhouse home design is the custom range hood crafted from natural wood. It becomes an architectural statement piece while complementing the open shelving nearby. The backsplash, a handmade Zellage-style tile, adds depth and texture, proving that modern farmhouse style in 2026 is all about layering materials thoughtfully. Adjacent to the kitchen is a spacious dining area featuring a solid wood farmhouse table surrounded by mixed seating, upholstered chairs, and a long bench. A dramatic iron chandelier hangs above, creating contrast against the light walls. Large windows frame scenic outdoor views, reinforcing the connection between indoor comfort and rural-inspired architecture. The pantry and utility spaces are equally impressive. Designed with practicality in mind, the walk-in pantry includes open wood shelving, labeled glass jars, and woven storage bins. Even these functional spaces reflect farmhouse home design principles, organized, charming, and aesthetically cohesive with the rest of the house. As we head into the primary bedroom, the atmosphere shifts to calm and serene. Soft linen bedding, layered throws, and oversized Euro pillows create an inviting retreat. A statement wooden bed frame with subtle carved details pays homage to vintage craftsmanship, while modern bedside lighting keeps the space fresh and current. The ensuite bathroom beautifully represents modern farmhouse architecture with its freestanding soaking tub positioned under a large picture window. A double vanity with shaker cabinets, marble countertops, and black framed mirrors balances rustic and contemporary elements. The use of brushed nickel fixtures adds understated elegance without overpowering the farmhouse charm. In the guest bedrooms, the design remains cohesive yet personalized. Each room incorporates neutral tones with subtle variations, soft sage, dusty blue, or warm beige accents. Simple wooden nightstands, vintage-inspired rugs, and black iron bed frames keep the modern farmhouse style consistent while giving each space its own character. The The home office reflects how farmhouse home design adapts to modern lifestyles in 2026. A built-in desk crafted from reclaimed wood pairs with minimalist shelving. Natural light floods the room, making it both functional and inspiring. The decor remains understated. Ceramic vases, woven baskets, and framed botanical prints enhance the rustic aesthetic. One of the standout features of this modern farmhouse-style house is the seamless indoor-outdoor living. Sliding glass doors lead to a covered patio, complete with a stone fireplace and comfortable lounge seating. The backyard landscaping combines structured garden beds with wild greenery, reflecting the harmony between curated design and natural surroundings. Throughout the entire home, you'll notice how texture plays a key role in farmhouse architecture. From shiplap walls and exposed beams to woven textiles and aged metals, every element adds dimension. The modern farmhouse trend in 2026 isn't about clutter, it's about intentional styling, high-quality materials, and creating spaces that feel lived in yet refined. As we conclude this stunning modern farmhouse home tour, it's clear why farmhouse architecture continues to captivate homeowners year after year. By blending rustic warmth with clean modern lines, this farmhouse home design offers both beauty and functionality. I hope this tour has inspired you with fresh ideas for your own space. If you enjoyed exploring this modern farmhouse-style house, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite design detail in the comments below.